Osteoporosis is a big problem for many Americans.
Thinning bones leads to a higher risk of fractures and poor healing. But as Week News health and medical reporter Amy Oshier shows us, there are ways to rebuild lost bone.
Your numbers are getting better.
70-year-old Theresa Szpak is focused on numbers, not her age, but her bone density.
Which I felt was failing since I had 3 compression fractures.
Instead of going on medications, she opted for workouts that increase bone strength. Mila Marhovich is a doctor of physical therapy.
By age 45, 50, most women especially start gravitating towards lower normal bone density, and then after menopause it can hit osteopenia, osteoporosis.
At 30, we hit maximum bone strength. As part of the aging process, we lose the ability to build more. Activities like walking can help, but it's not enough to regain lost ground. In the same way weightlifting increases muscle mass, strength training can rebuild bone. To get measurable results requires very heavy lifting, more than most people can manage.
So we use the power of robotic devices, visual feedback, neuromuscular retraining, using leverage, and the activity is static. So you don't have to move any weight through space, which is extremely safe on the joints.
Good.
People working on bone building come with DEXA scan readings from their doctor, which is a measure of bone density. It's used to track their progress.
We use clinical objective measures, and we have people often around age 60 testing like a 40-year-old or a 30-year-old.
After just a few months, one of Szpak's bone density scores improved from low to normal.
I'm looking forward to the next bone density, and I never did that before.
It also reinforced her confidence. Amy Oshier, Wink News.
More and more doctors are referring to osteo practices for bone health now. Getting results also requires a good diet, including calcium and vitamin D.